Okay, so you guys know I love me some Vettsy mystery boxes, and they always have the best ones at like Halloween time. So I got their Halloween mystery box, and I believe this was $39.99. I'll put the price up on the screen. I hope that's correct, but it is jam-packed full of stuff. I kind of have an idea of what's in there because they released a video, like, you know, kind of showing them doing the packing of it. But there's like a little stamp that says Happy Halloween, which is so cute. And then there's a little card with share your shopping experience on Facebook. Oh, okay. So I have to do like an unboxing on Facebook. I can do that. Okay, whatever. Oh, does this guy glow in the dark? That'd be cool. I always steal the little things that are in here, and I either give them to my son or I just add them to my decorations around my house. Or I'll keep them at my desk, you know, for the season, whatever. It just depends, but I'll try to take them out because I like, oh my God, look at this cute little thing. What? That is adorable. It's a little spider light. I saw these on Shein. Shein has like a huge, sorry, I'm like talking about a different brand, but Shein has like a huge Halloween sale going on, and they had these on sale. So I might grab some more of them just to have those guys. Okay, I think I got all the little decorations out. Let's get the little snakes out and let's dig in because I'm so excited to see what's in this box. I'm just gonna throw this away. I have so much of this stuff that I save for like boxing up stuff to send to you guys. Okay, we have a little blue chrome powder. Very nice. This is purple. Is this chrome? So they have been posting videos of stamping with like chrome powder or like the neon powders, like stamping with that stuff. So I definitely want to try that out. This is really cute. It's like a little makeup compact. That's adorable. That's a beautiful color too, that purple. I'm not even like under the camera. I'm just hogging it up, trying to see. Wow, this is beautiful. Can't wait to use these. Let me get it back in here so I don't lose a little puff. Okay, all right, we got some stuff in here. This looks like little metal bats. Oh, all right, I'm gonna get the box out of the way so I can just like kind of pull stuff from my lap. Okay, these are like little metal Halloween decorations. Let me see if I can get it open. And okay, there is a bunch of like random stuff in here because that's a crown. I don't know what that has to do with Halloween, but we got some witches, and then there's like some pumpkins in there too. Let me see if I can get some out. I see bats also. I don't know what the crowns have to do with anything, but spiders. Okay, let me see if I can hold this up and kind of focus on that. But there's like all kinds, there's even butterflies in there I see on here. Snowflakes, so there's all kinds of random little things in here. But they're like metal punched out, which is really cute. I see some reindeer, there's a whale. What in the hell? I don't know, they got all kinds of stuff up in there. This is one of their molds, which, oh, this is skulls. This is their skull and bones mold, which you could use that putty stuff in here if you wanted to. I know Vettsy sells the putty too, but it was a little too expensive for me. It was a little, you know, too much. Sorry, Vettsy, but it was. Probably could have used my code, but I don't like using my own code. I feel like that's kind of messed up. I don't know. If it's something I really, really want, I will do it, but for something like that, it's not necessary. Okay, so this is just some red and white butterflies. Well, I can't get these open, and I just broke a nail trying to, but they are red and like clear butterflies. These are some spider webs. Are there spiders on there? Yeah, some of them, I think there are like spiders in the web. And then there's like a little red stone. Very cute. And then this is so cool. It's like a dragon or even like an owl eye. I'm trying to get that one separated, but that is so cool. I want to try to flip this over, see if they're the same color, because I would love to do a nail set with those. I have 0 hand strength. That's why it's really difficult for me to open these bags. But let me see if I can get this one opened. These are gorgeous. Holy cow. They're beautiful. I mean, you could do like Cheshire Cat with it or anything. Like, oh my God, they're stunning. Those are gorgeous. All right. moving right along. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, I'm gonna show you, this is what I ordered, and they just stuck it in the box. So before I ordered the box, I had ordered some stuff off their website. So I got one of their molds. Let's see here. This one has like bats and pumpkins and stars and ghosts on it. I thought that was really cool. Their molds are really quite nice. I have a couple of them. I think I did one for Valentine's Day that they sent me, and it was really nice. And then these are all Halloween. That's why I got confused, because I knew I had Halloween stamping plates. So these ones are quite nice. So let me get the glare off. This is just pumpkins and some ghosts. I hope this scratch is not all the way through the plate and it's just on the blue paper, because that would really stink. There's like scratches all over this stuff. I hope it's not like, I hope they're not ruined. This is like, ooh, creepy, like blood handprints and stuff. That's really cool. I like that. This is like your typical like happy Halloween trick or treat kind of, like not too scary, you know. You got some ghosts and some cutesy stuff on there. And this one I like because, let me see if I can get the glare to go away. So I like this little tree over here. When you do like the background kind of stuff, I like that a lot. And then there's like spider webs and whatnot. So these are super cute, and I'll definitely be using them as well throughout the year. Normally I do like a whole video dedicated to the stuff that comes in my mystery box, so that's, you know, you'll see that as well. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I got something that's wrapped up in here. Let me go ahead and open that. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's a finger. It's a practice finger. Shut up. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Are you kidding? This is a practice finger. And it has the thing where you can put the nail inside. Shut up, Vettsy. That's awesome. Oh my god, that's worth the whole price of this freaking box right there. Like, are you kidding me? And I have a practice hand. I've just never used it on camera because it's kind of cruddy. It wasn't an expensive one, but I have like a holder. I mean, I don't even need to use the holder, but oh my god, I'm like really shocked. I saw the finger and I was like, ah, it's like a fake Halloween one, you know, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm really blown away by that because those things are not cheap. That's very cool, Vettsy. Thank you so much for that. Then we just have some stickers. These are all glow-in-the-dark ones. There's like ghosts and bats and, you know, witches, typical stuff. I think, is this the same thing but just black? It's slightly different, but it's basically the same kind of stuff like that you've got. And then we've got Ghostface again. He's very popular. I'm thinking about doing a Ghostface nail look, but I feel like what hasn't been done already? Like, I don't know. I wouldn't know what to do that would be different that someone else hasn't already done before. So I don't know. I have to think about that one. Then we just got some glitters. We've got, ooh, fun, and some black hollow glitter here. I don't know if it's gonna show up in the lights, the hollow, but it is hollow, I promise. Okay, oh, and then we have a Ghostface press-on set, which this would be, sorry, I'm like all the way over here. I'm like so shocked from the finger, I can't get over it. But these are really cool. Very cool. I'd probably give this to a friend or something just to have, or, you know, stick it in a giveaway box. Usually I try to throw like press-ons and I have so many press-ons that I've gotten throughout the years. I have some more pigment powders. It looks like they may be glow in the dark because this one down here for sure is glow. I don't know why I'm going so far like in front. I never do that. I'm normally down here where you can't see it. Now I'm just going like above the camera. But anyways, this one for sure I think is probably glow in the dark. I might stick it in the lamp and see like when I'm done. Then we've got some chunky glitters. Now, I am going to try something this year that I've never done before, and this stuff will come in handy for that. There's some stuff in here that is like gigantic, like that would not fit on a nail. Maybe a thumbnail, but that would take up your whole nail. And then you've got like giant ghosts and stuff. I don't know how you would fit that stuff on a nail. Oh my god, there's little devils down here. I've never seen those before. This stuff is cute. It's really cute. I like it. Okay. And then we have, I'm just gonna pull this out before I pull out like the last thing. I think this little spider web, they had these on Shein too, and I think that they will like stick to a glass door, or you could use it as like a coaster. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so you can actually see it. But yeah, I think it's just like a little coaster. There's like a shiny side and this side, but they had the same thing on Shein and they were selling them as coasters, so I'm assuming that's what this is. I mean, it's a cute little spider web. Like, I could keep it on my desk, you know, for Halloween. All right, and then there was this little box, this little container in here, which I think would be cute to keep some of my, like, nicer nails that I've popped off. And in here is all of, like, our polishes and stuff like that. Sorry, I just didn't want it, like, zooming in over there or focusing over there. We got a magnet, so I wonder if that means we have a cat eye gel in here somewhere. I'll start with this one that I got out first. And I hope we get Halloween colors, because sometimes they send us some colors that are just weird. Ooh, this is like, I mean, it's kind of like zombie green, but I'm assuming this is cat eye. So definitely I would say that's a Halloween color. I'm not going to put it back in the box. And then we have this gel polish here, and I think this might be is it their HEMA-free? Yes. So this is one of their HEMA-free gel polishes, and this is called Paradise. Let's see if I can open it, and it's just like a nice red color. Woo! That is like a blood red. That would be beautiful for a vampire nail look. Certainly. Okay. Then we have solid nail tip glue. This is usually clear, so I'm not going to open this up because I've got a couple other things like this. So I don't want to open it just because I don't want it to get messed up. And then we have a purple and an orange solid gel polish. Again, I don't want to open these because I don't want them to like possibly dry out or go bad, but they're orange and purple. So I would say that Vettsy did really good with the Halloween colors this year. Sometimes they give us some colors where you're like, what does that have to do with Halloween? I like this little kit here. Like, this would be cute to even just keep like your stickers or stuff like that in. So I like that they gave us this. It's cute. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Like, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I hope you enjoyed unboxing and just kind of seeing all the fun stuff that I got for this season. Like, holy cow, Vettsy, you gave me a practice finger. I will definitely be using this, and I already got glitter on it, but I will be using this from now on. So thank you for that. I really thought it was just like a fake, like, you know, like a fake like trick when I unwrapped it, but that's awesome. Honestly, everything that I purchased, I'm like, I can't wait to use. Like, I've already started doing Halloween videos, but like, guys, I just have surprises coming up. I kind of want to do something as like my big finale this year that's gonna like blow your mind. So I hope I'm not like working myself up and it's like a total fail. But either way, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I always have a good time doing these unboxing videos, and I hope that you enjoy watching them as well and just kind of seeing like what I've bought and what, you know, you'll see in future videos. So thank you guys so much. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join my fam jam. You are all welcome, and we love you all as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps like push my videos out there, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys. Bye.